Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together. Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to make chia seed pudding in just a few minutes. It's super easy, healthy, and delicious. Let's dive in. First up, grab a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. These little seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s. Next, pour in 1 cup of your favorite milk. I love using almond milk, but any milk works fine. Give it a good stir. You want to make sure those chia seeds are well combined with the milk. Now, add a teaspoon of sweetener. Honey, maple syrup, or agave are all great choices. Stir it again. For some extra flavor, toss in a splash of vanilla extract. You can also mix in some cocoa powder or matcha if you're feeling fancy. Give it one last stir. Now cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This gives the chia seeds time to swell up and turn into a pudding-like consistency. And just like that, your chia seed pudding is ready. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or granola for some added crunch. It's a perfect breakfast or snack that's both nutritious and tasty. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. See you next time. Wait. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.